Hello and welcome back to our next nest. We are at day 11 of the Nestled Inn Lakewood remodel, and let's catch you up on what we've done. So, behind us you'll see we have finished putting up sheetrock on this back wall of the kitchen. We've got green rock down by where the sink is roughed out, so it's a little bit mold resistant in case water gets on it. Plumber came out earlier this week, and he actually put those pipes back inside the wall so they're not out crazy all like, so that's good. And we got Hardiback on the floor, which is going to be good for laying tile. It's a nice even surface, takes out kind of the unlevelness of the wood subfloor below. So we're just about ready here in the kitchen. However, before we get there, we're going to be in the bathroom working on the shower. So if you check out the how to build a shower video, you can see the progress we've made so far. Today we just got a little bit done. We laid Quikrete, fast setting Quikrete in the shower pan. Got it a nice even grade so water will flow well at the base of the shower. And we got green rock up all around that, so we're ready to go in there to start laying tile tomorrow. On the design front,
yeah, it was great. We went over to Floor and Decor and we picked up the tile for both the shower and the bathroom and kitchen flooring. So we're good to go on that end. And then today I'm just gonna start playing with some patterns. We think we're gonna go with the checkered floor, but I wanna try out a couple more ideas. And then also over here, you might see this little table. We picked it up yesterday. So I brought it into the kitchen, try to start staging the space so I can get a better idea of what else we need.
and you got tile on the floor.
I do.
So yeah, we got that checkered pattern tile on the floor. That's what we'll be laying in here come next week.
Yeah, so get ready
Yeah.
for a checkered floor.
But it's day 11, we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So we're gonna call it a day and we will see you tomorrow.
See y'all.
Bye.
Bye.